Welcome to UW-Green-Bay. In this video, I'll show you how to set up your UWGB account so you can access all the systems you'll need as a student. Before we begin, make sure you have everything you'll need. Your UWGB email address, which you can find in your admission letter, a mobile device, such as a smartphone or tablet that can download apps, a stable internet connection, and around 10 to 15 minutes to complete the setup process. Once you've gathered these items, you're ready to begin. Your UWGB username is provided in your admission letter. It typically follows this format: the first 4 letters of your last name, followed by your first initial, middle initial, and the 2-digit day of your birth. For example, if your name is John Adam Smith and you were born February 1st, 2000, your UWGB email would be smitja01@uwgb.edu. As a note, UWGB students do not receive a default password. To create your password, go to the Microsoft Password Reset page at passwordreset.microsoftonline.com or scan the QR code here. After you head to the Microsoft Self-Service Password Reset tool, SSPR, enter your full UWGB email address, for example, smitja01@uwgb.edu, and complete the CAPTCHA. Then click Next. If you receive an error that says you can't reset your own password because you haven't registered for password reset, please reach out to the GBIT Service Desk. Their contact information will be available at the end of this video. For security reasons, account assistance cannot be handled via ticket. On the "Why are you having trouble signing in" screen, select the option "I forgot my password" and click Next. Verify your identity by choosing a contact method, like your alternative email. If your verification method is incorrect or unavailable, contact the GBIT Service Desk. Once again, their contact information will be available at the end of this video. You'll then receive a verification code via your selected method. Enter the code and click Next. Next, create a new password. Make sure it meets these requirements: at least 14 characters and no more than 49 characters, includes uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters, does not include personal information like your name or birthday, cannot repeat characters more than twice consecutively, and is not one of your last 24 passwords. If your password doesn't meet these rules, you'll see an error message. Adjust it and try again. Keep in mind that your password will need to be updated every 180 days for security purposes. Don't worry, you'll get a reminder 2 weeks in advance, so you'll have plenty of time to change it. After you've entered your new password, click Finish. You'll see a notification that your password has been reset. UW-Green-Bay uses single sign-on, also known as SSO, to access university systems. This means that you'll use the same password for all UWGB applications. UW-Green-Bay also uses multi-factor authentication, also known as MFA. This is a secondary way to verify that it's really you signing in. Our MFA program is Okta Verify, and it will also need to be set up before you can access university applications. To set up Okta Verify, you'll need a mobile device that can download apps. Use the QR code on the screen to download Okta Verify from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. If you use a different app store, don't worry, just search for Okta Verify wherever you get your apps. Once you've downloaded the Okta Verify app, open it and tap Get Started on the welcome screen to begin. Now, follow these steps to set up Okta Verify. While the screens might look a little different over time, the steps and processes will work the same way, so don't worry if things don't match exactly. On the Choose Account Type page, click Organization. On the Add Account from Another Device screen, click Skip. On the Do You Have a QR Code screen, select an option. If setting up Okta using your phone and computer, select Yes, Ready to Scan. With this method, you scan a QR code and it will grab your login information from there. This requires a second device, like a computer. If setting up Okta from your phone, select No, Sign In instead. This is the method we will use in this video. This method requires that you log in with your UWGB account in the Okta app. On the Enter Your Organization's Sign-In URL screen, type uwgb.okta.com. After clicking Next, sign into your UWGB account using your username, with or without @uwgb.edu. Both ways will work. Enter the password you created earlier and click Verify. You might see a few additional approval prompts, depending on your setup. Don't worry, just follow the instructions on your screen. It's all part of keeping your account secure, and you'll be done in no time. Enable notifications and biometrics if prompted. And if you have multiple Okta accounts, set the account you use most often as the default. Typically, you will hit Set as Default for your UWGB account. Once your account is added, you can close the app. When signing into a UWGB site, enter your UWGB username. Again, you can include @uwgb.edu or leave it out. Both options will work. Then enter your password. You'll then be prompted to choose an Okta security method. For the easiest option, click Get a Push Notification to approve your login. On your device with Okta Verify installed, you'll need to approve the request. This will arrive as a push notification. Simply tap the notification or open the Okta app. Once inside, you'll see a prompt asking if it was you attempting to sign in. For recognized locations like UWGB, just tap Yes, it's me. For unrecognized locations, you may need to select a number shown on your login device to verify. Choose the correct number and your request will be approved. After approval, your login page will refresh and you'll be successfully signed in to your UWGB application. If you need help setting up your account, experience any errors, or have any IT questions, please reach out to the GBIT Service Desk. They can be reached via phone at 920-465-2309 or visit in person. For location information, head to uwgb.edu/gbitinfo or scan the QR code on your screen. Remember, for security reasons, account-related issues cannot be handled via ticket. Please contact the GBIT Service Desk via phone or in person for verification. Thank you for watching and welcome to the University of Wisconsin, Green Bay.